Gamers, don't you want that setup that makes you go, yes? Well, I've got something for you, and I've partnered with my friends at Sony to showcase what I like to call the ultimate gaming setup. This includes the Sony A80L OLED, the Sony A5000 soundbar, and of course, the PlayStation 5. Now, the A80L OLED is a pristine OLED TV with 4K 120, HDMI 2.1 ports, XR processing with those OLED True Blacks that makes it perfect for the PlayStation. It also has auto genre picture mode, as well as also auto HDR tone mapping and that lovely game menu to get your gaming right. Now, the Sony A5000 soundbar comes with 5.1.2 Dolby Atmos sound, HDMI 2.1 connectivity with VRR and ALLM, wireless add-ons like the wireless rear speakers, as well as also wireless subwoofer to give you spatial audio and just that great sound so you get deep into your gaming and you fully enjoy it. This to me is the